Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Hyundai Sonata fog light. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver or a trim removal tool, and your new fog light bulb, which is commonly an H8 type. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged for safety before you begin. Now, let's gain access to the fog light. Begin by turning your steering wheel fully to the side you are working on. This provides better access to the wheel well. Next, locate and remove the 2 or 3 plastic clips or screws securing the fender liner. You can use a Phillips head screwdriver or a trim tool for this. Once removed, gently pull back the fender liner to create an opening, allowing you to reach the fog light housing. With access gained, reach inside and grasp the fog light bulb housing. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise approximately 1/4 turn to release it from the assembly. Then, disconnect the electrical connector by pinching its small locking tab and pulling it off. Take your new bulb and attach the electrical connector, being careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands. Finally, insert the new bulb into the housing and twist it clockwise to secure it firmly in place. You are almost done. Carefully push the fender liner back into its original position. Reinstall all the plastic clips and screws you removed earlier to secure the liner. Once everything is back in place, turn on your vehicle's fog lights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. If both fog lights need replacement, simply repeat these straightforward steps on the other side of your vehicle. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.